Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator Stan Berthelot from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Hey there, I'm Maya.
And I'm Daniel. It's Wednesday, June 17th. Today, we're diving into some intriguing stories, from AI shifts in France to changes in how we consume news.
So, Daniel, France is making a big move in the AI space. They're planning to switch from using Palantir's AI data tools to those from a French company called ChapsVision.
Right. And Prime Minister Sébastien Lecornu is behind this push. He wants to reduce France's reliance on foreign technologies, especially those controlled by the US. It's part of a broader concern in Europe about tech dependencies.
But it's not going to happen overnight. The transition is expected to take several years because of the existing contract with Palantir, which runs until 2025.
Exactly. ChapsVision, which was founded in 2019, already has its technology in use by Germany's BFV Internal Security Service. They reported 200 million euros in revenue in 2025, which is quite a contrast to Palantir's $4.5 billion.
Palantir's faced its share of criticism too, especially for its ties with U.S. government agencies and concerns over surveillance and data protection. Germany and the UK are already reevaluating their contracts with them.
And France is investing 655 million euros in AI, aiming to boost infrastructure and reduce security risks. They're looking to develop chatbots for public services and health insurance. It's a big strategic shift. On a lighter note, and since we are talking about France, have you seen the match yesterday, Maya?
Amazing. It was a brilliant match, and I'm sure that Stan must be very proud today of his birth country.
Absolutely. And you know what? Kylian Mbappe became France's all-time leading goal scorer. In other news, Maya, social media and video platforms have now overtaken TV as the primary source of news globally.
That's according to the Reuters Institute's 2026 Digital News Report. It shows 54% of people are getting their news from social media or video platforms, compared to 52% from TV.
And trust in news is at its lowest since 2015. TikTok is leading the charge as the fastest-growing platform for news, especially among younger audiences.
But with this shift, there are growing concerns about transparency and accuracy. People are favoring algorithm-driven content over traditional editorially curated news. It's a challenge for traditional media. Now, let's talk about Anthropic's Fable AI model. It was released on June 9, 2026, but quickly got classified as a dangerous munition by the US government.
That's right, Maya. The model was banned for foreign access and shut down. It's part of a broader issue with rapidly advancing AI capabilities and the need for collective management.
Fable is a constrained version of the Mythos model, designed to find and exploit software vulnerabilities. Some organizations used it for cybersecurity, though others found existing models just as powerful.
The debate is whether the power lies in the AI itself or the harness, the code that interfaces with users. Open source communities have even developed harnesses that replicate these capabilities.
Fable's ability to achieve complex goals with minimal input is a concern for misuse. There's a call for global cooperation, but no effective regulation mechanism exists yet.
Over in Silicon Valley, there's growing concern about AI creating a permanent underclass.
Yeah, the fear is that AI could lead to significant job displacement, especially among white-collar workers who thought they were secure.
This anxiety is particularly strong among young tech workers who feel pressured to secure high-paying jobs quickly.
It's not just a Silicon Valley issue. The discussion extends to broader political and social arenas, with AI seen as a potential catalyst for cross-class alliances.
While some dismiss these concerns as exaggerated, they reflect deeper unease about economic stability in an AI-driven world.
WordPress VIP released a report showing that consumer trust in AI-generated content is pretty low.
That's right. 60% of US consumers find brands using AI in their messaging off-putting, and 86% prefer to verify information through original sources.
And 42% trust AI-generated answers without clear attribution, less than airline fees, or confusing privacy policies. It's a tricky balance for brands.
As AI referrals to sites increase, 60% of enterprises report more traffic from AI platforms, but transparency and attribution remain key concerns. In North Seattle, an 86-year-old man is using Sensi AI, an AI device that records sounds in his home for safety.
His son, who lives in Austria, initially supported this for peace of mind, but privacy concerns arose when he read transcripts of his father's conversations.
Despite initial resistance, the father accepted the device, which helps flag fall risks and alerts caregivers.
It's part of a trend with AI devices like Ears and Ally Cares, marketed to home care agencies. But it raises ethical concerns about privacy and motivations. Over at Canva, they're focusing on hiring people with adaptability and a growth mindset.
These traits are crucial as they navigate the evolving AI landscape. Adaptability helps employees adjust to rapid tech changes, while a growth mindset encourages continuous learning.
It's part of a broader industry trend to future-proof workforces against AI uncertainties. Canva wants a team that's resilient and forward-thinking.
AI is reshaping not just jobs, but how people view work itself.
Yeah, it's leading to a crisis of competence as AI's efficiency erodes traditional professional pride tied to skill and expertise.
Gallup data shows 77% of workers are disengaged. Many are considering business ownership as a way to maintain agency and build something meaningful.
It's about finding purpose beyond traditional employment roles, rather than fearing obsolescence. Finally, ChatGPT's market share has dropped below 50% for the first time.
Despite having over 1.1 billion monthly users, competition from Google's Gemini and Anthropic's Claude is heating up. Gemini holds 27.7% and Claude 10.3%.
Users are switching between assistants, influenced by deals like OpenAI's with the U.S. Department of Defense.
The AI app market is maturing, with spending expected to hit $4.2 billion in the first half of 2026. ChatGPT is integrating ads, which impacts referral traffic to retailers.
That's all for today's stories.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll catch you on Thursday.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.